Welcome to my desk. I really wanted to use this as a workstation, a vanity, and it just never happened. It has become a complete dumping ground for clothes, shoes, and accessories, mostly because even though we have really great hanging storage in the wardrobe, I'm missing a lot of storage for some of these things. And so today I have a new piece of furniture from IKEA. I'm so excited to put it together, but let's get rid of the desk, bring in the new furniture, and get this place organized. Time to start putting everything together. I'm going to start with the dowel in all of these shelf pieces. Frame has been built. I just had to rotate it around a little bit because I now have to put the backing on. They've completely changed the way that these things operate. They used to be metal nails and now it's this weird plastic thing. The floor is incredibly uneven, so I just went hunting through our old IKEA furniture stuff and I found these guys. So I'm going to put one of these underneath one of the corners and hopefully that should fix it. Bookshelf is done and I love it. I really love the height that it's created in this corner. I'm just undecided as to whether I organize it first and decide if I need extra shelves and then put the doors on, or I do doors first then shelves. It's definitely easier to get shelves out when the doors are not on. I did also purchase some storage from IKEA. I purchased two different things. One of them's great, the other one not so much, and I do not recommend. The first one are these little drawers. I bought 2 sets of these drawers. I thought that they were plastic or wood and I didn't read the description. They're actually cardboard and they're so overpriced for what they are. They're probably way cheaper in Australia and Canada because IKEA is like twice the price here. I do not recommend. And so I hunted and I hunted and I hunted and I hunted for something else as an alternative that's better quality and I just couldn't find anything. So I've decided I'm just gonna keep them. It's not great, but this is gonna be handy for some accessory storage. And then I purchased 2 of these storage tubs. These are great. They're only like $3.99 each or something, so way more affordable. This thing was like $17, $18, which is ridiculous for cardboard, but these ones are great. And then I also have some tubs out in the shoe cabinet out there, and I'm just undecided as to whether I want to get more shelves, so I might start organizing now and then we can come back and do the doors at the end. These 2 tubs here are for the 2 clothing items that I need storage for. So I have skirts and shorts that will go in this one, and then I put swimsuits into this one. I have a Ziploc bag filled with hair accessories that have just been living up in the top closet. It's mostly scarves and clips and things. Actually, it's mostly just scarves, maybe a couple of, what do you call these, scrunchies, but I figure they can go in there. I've decided to put my tote in here because I want it somewhere that's like easy to grab. I have some belts I'm gonna put into this drawer here. These are all extra buttons, the caps to some of my shoes, extra thread, things that all of my clothes come with. These are all receipts from some of my designer purchases, so I'll pop those in there too. I'm a little uncertain of the placement of everything because all of the shelves are uneven and I'm not going to be able to get them all equally even. My plan is to make the top 2 shelves for shoes, and then I could also use this shelf because it's easy to access and I don't really need to reach for it. Use it to access more commonly used handbags or something. I don't know. Maybe I should just bring both of those down and make the top 2 even, or I keep them all uneven. Before I move on, this is the current situation. So I have these 2 storage tubs from the front cupboard, and I also brought the shelf that they were on in here. The back one is handbags, and then this cardboard box are shoes. I think I'm gonna focus on shoes before I come back to the handbags. First of all, I'm having the time of my life. Like, this is so fun. And secondly, this is like round 1 of organizing. I want to color coordinate them because I do. Oh my goodness, I haven't done this in so long. This has just been so long. I needed this. I really needed this. I want to color coordinate them, but some shoes will only fit on this shelf and they won't fit on this top shelf. So I'll have to play with it first and then decide. These ones won't even fit in here, so they may just have to go on this next shelf down. I have way too many shoes. Just way too many shoes. I even have these boxes down here still. These ones are just tubs that have just been existing with shoes in them, which is fine. This one is for shoes, but it's kind of a clunky storage system and there's not actually that many in there. I'm thinking I might make this shelf go up a little bit and I can move the drawers and the bag up, and then I might even try to put a very thin small section in there for some small shoes. I'm gonna backtrack because this is not gonna work. So I'm gonna move these 2 shelves back to the way that they were. I need to get rid of some of these shoes. Like, these ones here on the end are so beat up. They're just falling apart. So anything that's like super beat up and just not something that I've touched in a really long time, I'm gonna get rid of. And I'm gonna do something totally different. I think I might be done. It's looking pretty neat. I do have 1 tub with just a couple of handbags and mostly dust bags in them, so I'm gonna put that back up on the top shelf in the closet. I'm not sure if I want to keep this handbag up here because it's just gonna get so dusty. I might end up just putting it back in there, but I think it's done. I've got the clothes in the 2 tubs at the bottom, shoes in the next 2 tubs, handbags, my basket bag, a bunch of accessories and stuff, shoes, and then a handbag, a storage box, and a little vanity case up the top. But I think I should just put the doors on. I cannot tell you how much better it feels in here. Like, just this space here feels so much cleaner already. I have some live updates from Instagram. So I just put some pictures into my story and I've been told that I need to color coordinate the shoes and face the shoes this way out. The only reason that I have them like the opposite directions is because it means I can fit more on the shelves. And I also can't really color coordinate them because the shelves are different sizes. So the shoes here won't fit here or up the top, and the shoes here won't fit up there. So I can't really put all the shoes together because these are like very low heels, medium heels, high heels. Or at least they have like a high back on them, but whatever. The point is, I have them on the different shelves that way because they don't fit on the other shelves. What I have done in terms of color coordinated, I have got blue down here, black sort of along here, more browns, nudes, and then an orange pair down the end. It was the best I could think of for the storage. Anyway, I have the doors here. Let's put them together. I was thinking of doing the same thing to these doors that I did out in the entryway, and that is use this contact paper on the top panel. Just gives it like a little bit of detail, but I'm sort of like, oh, do I really want to do that? I'm definitely putting gold handles on it like the ones in the front, but I'm just a little unsure of this detailing. I can always change it, although if I do tear it off, it's probably gonna wreck the underneath, so I will always need to have some sort of contact paper on there. But I'm a little torn. Do I do the same as what's in the entryway, or do I just leave it? The last time I did this, I cut the rectangle to fit the window, and it was a bit uneven, so I think this time I'm just going to stick it straight down and then use the knife to cut the edges. So here's hoping for the best. It's not perfect, but it's still so much better and way more easier than the other way. I was getting so confused trying to figure out what side to put the hinges on. I realized I made a mistake. The contact paper's on the wrong panel. It needs to go on the other one to be at the top. Thankfully, I think it's gonna peel off okay. Thankfully, there's no damage. I now need to redo this, and it was a little bit of a waste, but it's fine, I have plenty. One door is done and I'm so happy with it. I definitely think it was the right choice to do the cupboard. I'm also really happy with the contact paper. I think it turned out quite nicely. We're up to doing one of the best bits now. I'm going to drill the holes for the handles. Not big enough. Okay, now I've got the right size. I think we're done. I'm not really sure about closing this gap here in the middle any further. It's always been difficult, but we've got gold handles, a little bit of contact paper detailing, and boxes and bags and accessories and drawers and shoes, and it is so organized and it's all hidden away and I absolutely love it. I grabbed my devil's ivy from in the living room because I cut off a good length of this the other day to propagate it. It's only just starting to grow a root. It's like 2 millimeters long. So it's gonna take a while until I'll have a plant up there, but I feel like that could be a really cool thing to have. It feels so much neater and cleaner in here. It just, I don't know. I like it so much more. I think we just had too many tabletops because there's the dresser, the bedside table, the other dresser, the, what do you call it, radiator cover, and then a desk. It's just too many low surfaces that junk is just able to be thrown on, whereas this is tall. It adds some height to the room, and I think we needed this. It feels so neat, and I love it. I think this was the best decision. I like it. Like it's so organized. These drawers are actually not that bad to open. I thought they would be really hard to open, but they're not terrible. I still don't recommend them because they're just cardboard, but it's so organized. I'm gonna be able to just come and get dressed, get my shoes, my bag, and the accessories in the drawers as well. Like this is amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me today while I have done this little IKEA wardrobe organization. I'm so happy. This was definitely the right move and I'm so glad that I did it. Thanks for hanging out today and I will see you in my next video.